There was one very early story that I remember quite clearly. Back, I think it was probably in 2021. This was a very, very early version of that day before operations tail assignment solver. And we were just collecting some test instances to see if we could make sure that we got all the constraints right and things like this. And so one of the subject matter experts, one of the ops controllers, had written a tiny example that was, I think it was 4 aircraft and about 6 flights. And they'd assigned the aircraft to those flights and computed what the cost should be. And we were just making sure that we got the same numbers out, making sure that we were accounting for things the same way, that we'd implemented the maths the way that they were expecting. And we turned this into the format we needed for the solver. We ran it through and we got a different result. And we were searching for a bug for, I think, about the best part of a day before we realized that actually the solver had found a correct but better solution. So even with just 6 flights, this is a hard enough problem that humans struggle to compete with operations research techniques. And that's really why we did this. We knew this would be the case, but it's been a really, really fun journey to make sure that the business understands as well. All the way from executives down to the people actually doing the job day to day. They have an easier time of optimizing things because they don't need to try a million different combinations. They can ask the computer.